One of the questions we're getting more and more of recently is addressing the issue of Uber cab. And more of the calls I'm getting are people that want to become an Uber cab and drive. The research I've done so far is your personal policy does not cover you. So it's a dangerous position to put yourself in. If there's an accident and the carrier we've got you with finds out that you were driving for hire, that is like taxi or limo. And you won't have any coverage for physical damage on your car, you won't have PIP coverage, and none of your riders in the car, if they get hurt because it's a more severe accident, are not going to be covered either. So if you get sued, you're not going to have any defense coverage from your policy. That puts you in an extremely weak position. I don't recommend doing it. In fact, if you're a rider in an Uber cab situation, you need to know that that driver is in the same situation I just described, where normally you'd be a passenger in somebody's car. If you get hurt, you have your PIP coverage in Minnesota. $20,000 of work loss, $20,000 of medical. In a for hire situation, you don't get that from your own policy either. And since that driver is not driving an insured car for the situation he's in, you have nowhere to go, no coverage from your insurance policy, and the only chance you're going to have of recovering damages is suing that driver, and he may or may not have the financial strength to withstand a lawsuit. So, and the driver beware. I don't recommend for the current situation using Uber cab as an option. So if you're considering driving as an Uber cab or riding as a passenger in an Uber cab situation, there's some things you should be aware of and we should talk about, and you decide on your own risk tolerance if that's still a good move for you or not. It's extremely popular. I know it's out there. Everybody does it. But there are some pitfalls you need to be aware of and decide for yourself that that's what you want to do.